Morning, Jason. Nice sunny day.
Isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. What have we got today?
Sun's out.
Sun's out.
Birds are twittering.
Yeah.
We're having to do a review.
And there's only me and you.
Only me and you.
Yeah.
As well. So what we're gonna have to do, if the phone rings, we're gonna have to pause.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
But people can't see
Like-
you pausing your wally.
Like statues.
Oh.
Do
You're
you-
not permanent pause anyway.
Do you get a prize? Like you did on, you know, at parties when you do statues?
No, that was it Grandma's footsteps? Were you like that?
No, that was Mr. Wolf, wasn't it?
Mr. Wolf.
That was Mr. Wolf, yeah.
It was called Grandma's footsteps as well.
Was it?
Was Mr. Wolf. What time is it, Mr. Wolf?
Nah, that must be a Stoke thing now.
No.
Come on.
Anyway, what are we on about?
This van here.
Remember Hopscotch as well?
Ah, that was when we had pavements before tarmac though, wasn't it?
Yeah. Kirby.
Yeah, you have to draw squares now because you're on tarmac.
Remember Kirby as well?
Yeah. Wally, when he's kicked the ball against the wall. Between the two. Yeah.
Wally, there's another one.
Yeah.
Can't kick the ball against the wall. Can't kick the ball against the wall.
Yeah.
Anyway, you waffling on now.
You're the waffler.
Right. One of my favourite bands, starter bands. We've done loads of them.
We have.
They do exactly what they say on the camper.
Yep.
Well, not on the camper because it's a Trigano Tribute. But they're really good bands. They just give you what you need. They give you the water, they give you hot water, heating, a fridge, even a shower, and also a cassette toilet.
And it's small enough to stick in the supermarket car park.
It's brilliant for dual purpose. Dual purposes for going to work in and going to camping in as well. They're a good size. They're just a step up from your little camper vans.
Yeah.
To give you a little bit more room. I love these vans. So anywhere between 20 and 25 grand is going to get you a Trigano Tribute. This one's a 2006, done about 40,000 miles. Take a look.
Yeah. Nice decals.
You like that?
Nice alloy wheels as well.
Look at that, alloy wheels.
Yeah. Awning.
Awning.
Fiamma awning.
TV aerial.
TV aerial.
Right. See that?
Sit and watch telly, yeah.
Okay.
Electric step.
Awning light. Electric step as well. So come into my humble abode. Come in. Look what you've got here. Nice lounge area. Good size.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Swivel the seat around as well. We can have a single, like so. We can even make a double up. Kevin.
Yep.
Should have started this now. See?
Yeah.
Make that up. Then we've got the board that goes in there. Everything goes down. Make a nice, good size.
Good size lounging area, really,
It's
isn't
a great lounging area. Just thinking here, overlooking the mountains.
it? And
Trip it all.
the other addition is you've got a third belted seat. So you can use it, like if you're using it every day, you can set one at grandkids. Sleeps 2, but will travel 3.
Yeah, yeah. Good thinking.
Versatile.
Very versatile.
So,
I'll switch the control panel on, Kev.
you know what you're doing there?
No, control panel's not working.
You've had it on once.
I know. Follow me. What's that, Kev?
Isolation switch. Isolate your leisure battery.
And why do we isolate the leisure battery?
Stop it going flat.
There you go. So anyway, we'll cut that out. Switch that on.
We'll cut Jason's mistake out.
So we've got vehicle battery, a leisure battery, dead simple. Fresh water and wastewater levels. We have our pump. Did you hear that?
Yep.
Sounds like your stomach. We have awning light. Yep. Is the awning light working? Other side your Wally.
Yep, awning light's working.
And then we've got there.
Lights.
Light on the back.
Shines a light on you.
Look at that.
Like a halo.
Thank you, Kevin.
I don't think so.
So there we go across there. Bit of storage.
Yeah.
Above. And then as you can see, it's on the Fiat.
Standard Fiat cabinet.
Yeah, 2006. I'll just quickly run through some stats. 46,000 miles. It's on a diesel. 2.3, so that's a cam bolt. 3,500 kilograms, so anyone can drive it who's got a license. Because if you haven't got a license, you can't drive it.
Or insurance.
Or insurance. Freshwater capacity.
85.
Wastewater capacity.
90.
Oh, well done, Kev. And the only reason why I remembered it is we did the first take and we're completely all cocked up. And I'm surprised you remembered 5 minutes ago.
See, you always know because you got me in front of you. Finn knows them because he writes them down. So what chance have I got?
Reversing camera.
Yeah, reversing camera.
Yeah.
And it works.
Well, I hope so.
It does because I backed it in here, so I know it works.
And then we've also got the TV aerial with the booster.
Yep.
Because that's a good size here. And there's our freestanding table. And oh,
Cool.
we've got a telly with it as well. Look at that, we're just giving, Kev.
Yeah.
We're just giving. That's what we do. So, 4-burner hob and grill. We even get a light in the grill.
Yeah.
See that?
So you can see how burnt your food is.
And then fly screens and blinds. And then we have our fridge.
3-way fridge.
3-way. And there is our water heater on the gas. And then down below that we have our heating system. And that's run off the diesel, isn't it, Kev?
Yeah, or Basto, isn't it?
Yeah. So, yeah, the hot water's gas only.
Yep.
No problem.
No.
And then we're going to move to the back. Let me just show you this. More prep area, Kev. Look at that.
No, what it is, when you open your back doors, you can open up as a burger van.
Could do, eh?
Yeah. Make a bit of money on the site.
Kebs, kebabs.
Yeah.
That's what we can call it. Yeah. And then while you're sitting there, I can count all that. I was going to say, I thought that went down. I can count all the money.
No, because that's your privacy screen. So you can use the back end as a dressing area.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, you can clip that on here, Jason. Clip that up to there.
Yeah.
And that gives you a dressing area. So you've got privacy if you're using a shower.
You think of everything, Kev, don't you?
I do, don't I? Yeah.
You do. So you're not going to get an awful lot of a washroom. You're getting the cassette toilets, you're getting the sink, and then which will double up to make the shower from the tap.
It's a decent size, though, isn't it, for the size of
That's
that?
what you need. You're not going to be having a shower in there anyway, are you?
It's not a,
It's going to be more of just of a rinse off, isn't it?
Yeah.
When me and you've been hiking up them mountains.
yeah. My days of hiking up mountains are long gone.
We've got an opening window at the back, blinds, and fly screens all along. So I hope people can see why I like these vans. What are you doing?
Just kicking a stone out. There was a stone on the floor.
What are you doing?
Well, it was about that big. I might have tripped over it.
Kev, I've never seen a stone that big on here.
It was that big.
It's like when you go fishing, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, anyway, Trigano Tribute does exactly what it says on tin. Great starter vans. Like I said, there's nothing complicated on them as well.
Nice skylight.
Okay, nice skylight. I've got one here as well. Do exactly what they say on the tin.
He had one here, didn't he? Van Gogh, was it? Was it Van Gogh had one here? You said I've got one here. But when I said I've got a skylight, you said I've got one here.
I'm going.
Yeah.
I'll bend you the review.
Hey.
Right.
We like to keep them sensible.
Right, who's this going to appeal?
Definitely a couple.
It's definitely a couple.
It's a
But
two-bird
like you
van.
said, it's definitely with a couple that you could take away.
If you're going out for the day to seaside, you could take one of the grandkids with you because
Yeah,
you got.
well, let's not just alienate everything else. We've also got castles. We could go see different things.
National Trust.
National Trust. as
Join
well.
the National Trust, you get free parking.
There you go. See.
Yeah.
So yeah, definitely a couples van. It's an ideal van to get into to see if you enjoy camper vanning. Not to blow a load of money on a nice new one and then find out you don't enjoy it. So good van to get into. It's giving you everything you need. So there you have it, the Trigano Tribute, and let's go do another video.
Yeah, go on.